I live with a mechanic, and he is constantly shoving his clothes in here when they're dirty because he thinks he can get one more day out of it. You need to take these clothes in from the garage and from this area and wash them, and after I do that, it's absolutely imperative that I do this because I wash his greasy, dirty mechanic clothes in here, and then before I wash anything of mine, it gets this washing machine gets a cycle on clean with one of these AfFresh washing machine cleaner tablets. Totally worth taking the time to do this in between washing your mechanic's clothes or anyone's dirty clothes with your normal clothes, your towels, your kitchen towels. You want this to be a fresh start every time you use the washer, but especially when using the washer after we've done something like mechanic's clothes. This box contains a 6-month supply of tablets. You put one washing machine cleaner tablet in and simply set your washing machine to the clean washer mode. That's it. Thank you for watching.